MMAT stock appears to be showing some strength within a longer term downtrend. As you can see, it's up around 2.6% in this regular session of today, the 11th of December 2023. Exactly 1 week ago, the company indicated that it was raising around $6 million, and that definitely didn't bode well with a lot of market participants then. So but it's been some time we covered the stock, so let's see whether there's any fresh news. There isn't any news at the moment. So far in this session, 5.993 million shares have crossed the tape. So we can see that some market participants are even, interestingly, you can see they are pricing. You can see we have 0.045, 0.0627, and also 0.15. These are the sort of range. This is the sort of range we have so far in this session: 0.15 and 0. As a matter of fact, we have 0.022 and 0.15. So this is what market participants so far have, the bets they have out in the market so far. The 0. We have here 0.1251 for 21,693 shares, and we have that 0.022 10,000 shares. So it's a big range. It's a big range as it concerns what I call it. What would I call it now? Bids and asks, if not prices have determination. But in any case, if we come back to the chart, this is the 1 hour chart. So there isn't enough confidence in the strength that it has. It's holding up right now on this 1 hour chart. So there's an upper projection there just slightly above where it is, which is 0.0674, and then we have 0.0765, and then the downward projection goes all the way down to 0.0525. So but we haven't seen that 0.15 in play. We might, maybe let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. Maybe something like that might be in play. So this is the 1 hour chart, and we have this indicator that indicates strength with just by placing numbers around the chart, around the price, around the curve of the price. And the maximum so far we have seen in that 1 hour chart and in this 4 hour chart is just 2. So there isn't enough confidence in the strength that has played out so far. So, but we have interestingly, we have a price of a projection of 0.1261 on its for its from its Fibonacci projection on this 4 hour chart. 0.1261. maybe we actually saw a 0.12, we saw 0.1251. so who knows whether that governed this or this projection governed that open order. Okay, but the downward projections go all the way down to 0.013, and slightly above that we have 0.0148. So let's quickly have a look at the 4 hour chart before we modify the indicators and look at other projections. So okay, on the 4 hour chart, on the 1 day chart, there's an upper projection of 0.1696, pretty much like what that open order, that 0.15 open order was indicating. So yeah, so there are indeed other upper projections above where it is now, but because the stock, the chart, the projections are all modeled up, they're not easy to read out. Let's see now. Okay, so let's modify let's add other indicators, remove some and add some, and let's move this and then get another indicator. It's going to show us something else, auto regression extrapolation of price. Let's see. Okay, so interestingly enough, okay, we have on this daily chart extrapolation, auto regression extrapolation of 0.5172 come Friday the 22nd of December. If that makes you happy, why not? 0.5172 for MMAT, in projected, these are projections, in the coming days. Well, obviously auto regression is a calculation based on what has happened in the past, and let's see the length we have in this past bars. We have 300, so it's a reasonable Okay, the past bar is 300, last bar is 30. I think it's okay. Let's make it, let's double it and see whether we can get something different. Let's double it to 60 and see what the extrapolation will give us. Even higher, 0.6752. Well, why not? These are just the projections. The last time the stock traded at this sort of level was, I would say, all the way back. We have to find a 0.6 that will be all the way back early this year. Early this year. So the last time it was around that sort of level was sometime in February. Yeah, February of this year. Late February was trading at those sort of levels. But what are the odds that it's ever going to bounce back? What are the odds? Well, so see what you make of MMAT, and okay, let's quickly have a look. And is there any point trying to find out what a short interest is? Okay, we can just have a look and see. We might MMAT, might find the short interest. Okay, short interest is at 10.36%. But it is not. It's a micro penny stock. Micro penny stock. So it's not really going to be. It is relevant. That short interest is relevant, but yeah. But in any case, we have upper projections of 0.6752 come Friday, the 22nd of December. Any odds that will pan out? Okay, we can actually have a look at the weekly chart and see as well. See what we have there on the weekly chart. Let's see on the weekly chart. Okay, let's see Friday, the 26th of December. Friday 22nd of December. Let's see. We have okay, this is a weekly chart, so we will not see we may not exactly get all the dates we have. So the closest we have is I guess is 18th. 18th is $1.29. So as a matter of fact, it's actually projecting that it will be retracing from those highs. From it's actually at that point it would be retracing. Okay, interesting 1.29. And let's see, going back to today, we have what do we have today? We have 2.08, and it hasn't materialized. And yeah, well, in any case, just see what you make of MMAT. Okay, and thank you very much for watching this video.